Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Renpho Bluetooth Smart Scale. First, let's get started with the initial setup. Begin by downloading the Renpho Health app from your phone's App Store. Once installed, open the app to create your personal account and input your profile information. Remember to place your scale on a hard, flat surface, like tile or hardwood, for the most accurate readings. Finally, make sure Bluetooth is turned on for your smartphone. Now that your app is set up, let's pair your scale. Open the Renpho Health app and look for the Add Device option. Next, simply step onto your Renpho scale to activate it. This will automatically begin the pairing process. Your app should then prompt you to confirm the connection. Once paired, remain still on the scale for a few seconds to take your very first body composition measurement. It's that easy to connect and start tracking. Your Renpho scale provides a wealth of information. The app will display 13 different key body composition metrics, including weight, body fat, and muscle mass. You can easily view trends and historical data for each measurement, helping you understand your progress over days, weeks, and months. Don't forget to set personal health goals within the app to keep yourself motivated. You can also share your data with other popular health applications, such as Apple Health or Google Fit. To ensure you get the most accurate and consistent readings, here are a few tips. Try to weigh yourself at the same time every day, ideally in the morning. Always make sure your bare feet are centered on the scale's 4 electrodes. When the low battery indicator appears, replace the 3 AAA batteries promptly. Finally, keep your scale clean by wiping its surface with a slightly damp cloth, but avoid using any harsh chemical cleaners.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.